Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're gonna talk about another bug which cause crash for some messages app, or maybe sometimes it cause also crash for the iPhone. And what Apple said about it, also what we can do about it, what temporary solution if someone sends you uh, sent you a message which contain a Hindi character, one of the languages of Hindi. If you send that character to your iPhone on some chatting app or iMessage, this will cause crash for that app, and you cannot open the app again, and maybe also cause crash for your iPhone, and the system will stuck. Okay, this bug it's affect the iOS and also affect Mac OS and affect Watch OS, but especially for iOS it affect iOS 10 and iOS 11, and anyone updated to iOS 11.3, it will not cause any problems, but from iOS 10 to iOS 11.2.5, everyone affected. Okay, what Apple said about this bug, they talking about releasing new update which will fix this bug, and this update it will be before iOS 11.3, which mean it's coming soon, and it will fix this bug. We hope Apple don't take long time to release this one. But now what we can do about it, if someone target you and send this message to you, let's say someone send a message to you, and the app crashes and the iPhone also crash and stuck. You don't have very important that you don't, if the iPhone crash and the interface stuck, you cannot use the iPhone. You have to wait. Don't force shut down the iPhone, because if you force shut down the iPhone, that maybe cause the iPhone to stuck on the Apple logo, and it will stay there for making boot loop. What called boot loop? That means he will stay in the boot. He will trying to boot the iPhone and cannot stay on the Apple logo, and that maybe need to that will cause you to make full restore. But let's say again, if you receive the message, if someone target you and send the message to you and the app crash, also the iPhone crash and stuck, you have to wait until the iPhone respring itself. That means the iPhone, it will try to restart the graphic interface. You will see you wait a little time, you will see black screen and loading logo inside it for a little time, then it will the interface it will be back, and after that you have to ask someone to send you message to that app which crashed, and after you receive the message you can open the app and delete the bug message which contain the Hindi character. That will fix this bug for now, but we have to wait for Apple update. if Apple release the update, you have to update immediately to fix this bug. But if you don't want to wait for Apple update, or maybe it take long, I think everyone concerns about that, he can go to beta.apple.com and sign up for the public beta program and install iOS 11.3 public beta 2, which this version, uh, this bug cannot affect 11.3 public beta 2. No problem in that version. Okay, I hope Apple to fix this buggy system, because latest iOS versions, so many bugs, especially for the messages bugs. Before it was the same, the same look, the same happen as this bug. It cause crash to the app, cause crash to the iPhone, and as Apple said in iOS, they are talking about the coming iOS, which iOS 11, it is iOS 12. It will fix so many issues. Apple will focus on reliability, and quality, which mean we should have new iOS 12, more stable and less buggy than the current iOS 11. Everyone should care about updating the iPhone to the latest version, if Apple release this update, don't forget to update to that version. Okay, you should. We hope Apple to focus more on releasing iOS versions which is more secure and less buggy than what we have now. And Apple already realized that, and they are working on that, and we hope they listen, and we hope the next iOS 12 it will be more better than the current versions of iOS, because the current versions, it's so much bugs, and also the system not stable. We hope Apple listen and do the best for iOS 12. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video, and be safe, and backup all. You have to always back up your iPhone, because some issues or bugs maybe cause full restore to iPhone. Maybe you have to restore from the backup. If you don't have the backup, it will be problem to you. That means you should back up periodically, and don't forget to make backup every time before you update to new version. And maybe anything happen or something, you have backup, and you can make full restore for your iPhone, and you return back as normal after restore the backup. That will be safe and better to have backup all the time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as I told you, if your iPhone is stuck, don't reboot it, and just wait for grabbing the face to respring. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like this video if you do like it. Thank you. Okay everyone, See you. Goodbye.